Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Uphold to your bank account, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Uphold to your bank account, begin by opening the Uphold app or website. Log in to your Uphold account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up button and follow the prompts to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Funding tab, usually located in the main menu. Look for an option that says Connect a Bank Account or similar wording. Click on this option to start the connection process. Select your bank from the list of supported banks. If your bank is not listed, you may have to choose a manual entry option. Follow the prompts to enter your bank information securely. This usually includes your bank name, account number, and routing number. For some banks, you may be required to log into your online banking account for verification. Use your bank's credentials to log in when prompted. Ensure that your connection is secure, following any additional verification steps. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Click on the Connect or Link Account button to proceed. You may receive a verification email to confirm the connection. Check your email and follow the instructions to verify your request. Once verified, your bank account will be connected to Uphold. You can now transfer funds to and from your bank easily. Review any fees or processing times associated with bank transfers. Congratulations, you have successfully connected your Uphold account to your bank account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.